Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send money from PayPal to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. We're going to go step by step. From the screen, you can see we have a balance in our PayPal account and we want to click on the transfer button. From there, you'll see an option that says transfer to bank. Next, PayPal will give you options to transfer instantly in minutes for a fee or within 1 to 3 business days with no fees. If you currently have a different bank on file and want to change it, click change, then select link a new bank account. When you try to find Cash App, you won't see it listed as a bank. So instead you can type anything, for example Cash App, and then choose enter your bank details. Now PayPal will ask for the type of account. Choose checking. Then it will ask for a routing number and an account number. To get these, switch over to your Cash App. On the Cash App homepage, tap the bottom left tab where your balance shows or where a bank icon appears if you don't have money in your account. At the top, tap account and routing number. You will find both numbers there. If you don't see these details, Cash App may prompt you to order a debit card first. The debit card is free, and once you complete that process, you'll get access to your account and routing numbers. After you have the numbers, enter them into PayPal and tap link this bank. PayPal will confirm that your bank is linked and ready for transfers. Now your Cash App account will appear as a transfer option. You can enter any amount you want to send. After entering amount, tap done and then choose between instant transfer with a fee or a free transfer that takes 1 to 3 business days. Tap transfer now, and just like that, the money will be sent from your PayPal account to your Cash App account, and that's it. This is how you can send money from PayPal to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.